Yo, what's up guys, I'm back to yet another video for you guys on the NinProVidz SMP. Today, I am going to be building a 100% automatic wool farm, but you know, not just a farm that will look like this. Really, it's gonna look more like this over here, guys. This is a sheep head. This is my own design for a really good wool farm. Just to explain it to you real quick, there's 3 sheep in each pen type thing, and in each dispenser there are shears, or a shear, and it constantly dispenses shears through this mechanism right here. And this is a hopper clock that will push this piston out and back every now and then, just for some wool that ends up lying down there, we get pushed into the hopper, and this is where I collect my stuff. And yeah, it's doing me really good actually. Each skeleton of the sheep's head will look like this, but you know, in the different colors. Now over here is our materials. Obviously this is not going to be enough, but you know, we'll give it a shot what we got. So I say we start off with the orange, just cause we got somewhat an amount of orange. Alright, so now we're moving on to the yellow face here, and this time I don't have as much wool as I had for my orange sheep head, so I think we're gonna cut it really close here, guys. Alright, and there we go. I ran out of yellow wool. I'm just gonna get some white wool from here, gather some flowers, go and shear my sheep. Alright, that should be enough. Once I've finished building my sheep farm, I think I'll let my sheep out of that pen, since I have no more use for them. Alright, yellow sheep complete, and I keep saying that as I forgot to do the roof. Alright. Alright, now yellow sheep is complete. Alright guys, now we're moving on to the blue sheep head, just because it's the one I had most materials on. And this one's going to be a little twist, guys. It's going to be twisty. Yeah, that's not the twist though. I'm going to be trying to speed running it as fast as I can, and the speed run starts now. Yeah, we did it! The sheep speed run, the blue sheep speed run in specific. Alright, yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see what materials we have now. Yeah, we're cutting it a bit close. I'll take some gray wool though. You know, if I have the dye, I could just easily get the rest of these materials, you know. ran out of material for gray. Oh no. I probably have some in my storage chest. If not, I do. Oh, I have a lot of the other wools as well. Oh, I should have just came here. Alright, and there we go. The gray sheep head is now complete. Alright, yeah, we do have lots of black wool, guys. That is very good. Because that is our next sheep head. Yes, finally did it. Slap the torches down. Oh, I finally finished all of the sheep heads here, guys. That took way longer than it needed to. It probably took like an hour and a half or something like that. Alright. I'm gonna work on the interior next day because I spent far too much time doing all of this. Alright, now that I made the sheep heads, I'm gonna do the interior of the sheep heads, which is the actual farm. So, my process is I'm gonna build one layer. For example, I'm just gonna build the grass in this head, and then that head, and so on, and just build up from there. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Yeah, let's get started. I also, when I was collecting these materials, since that is the hardest part really of all of this, I kinda moved out of my house, and I just built this house that has all my shulkers in them, some furnaces, some prot 4 armor. If we go up here, the chimney, it's just, you know, like a little balcony area. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's build the sheep head. Alright, now all of the chest and hoppers are put into each and every sheep head, and now it's time to add the actual glass cage and pistons. So yeah, let's get to that. What? I need like 7 more pieces of glass. And I just ran out. Now that is unlucky. Oh, alright, and that is all of the glass complete in all of the sheeps. Now, moving on to all of the birch. Alright, all of the birch is placed down in all of the sheep heads. Now, we are moving on to some more complex stuff, per se. We're moving on to the redstone part. Now, I'm just gonna build the wool for the redstone. I'm not gonna build the actual redstone on this step yet, but just the wool part, and the next step will be for everything else. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, and there you go. All of this wool here is all put into all of the sheep heads. Now, since we're nearing the end, we're gonna build the hopper clock in each head. Alright, that is all the wool for the hopper clock done. Now time to build the redstone and link it all up. And after many days of hard work, I have finally finished the sheep farm, and this is the end result.